Hello and welcome back to another vehicle repair video. Now today we are going to fit a new fog lamp to this 2012 Fiat Punto Evo. So stay tuned. So here we are then. Here is the broken fog lamp, as you can see, big crack across there. Looks like possibly stones hit it and cracked it. Now at first glance, when you look at this panel, it doesn't seem to be any way inside, and if you look underneath the bumper bar and behind, all you can see is radiator pipes and air conditioning pipes. There doesn't seem to be any way you can actually reach this. Now underneath here, if you look closely, there is a little tiny screw, which I'll show you a picture of that now, a bit of a close-up of that. So let's shall undo this screw. If it's a little tight, you might have to spray some WD-40 on that. Okay. Now this is held in place by just some plastic pieces that are moulded into this. So you may have to just lever this out slightly, and you have to be very, very gentle, because these two plastic pieces that are on here can easily snap. So you just bring that out like that, and it looks like it's on some kind of hinge there, but you just very gently move that out, and you can see, that there, that's how it's clipped into place. So you have to be very gentle when you move these. You don't want to break these, they are thin plastic, especially that one there, look. So that's that front panel out of the way. Now I don't know if you can see this on the camera or not, but inside there are 3 screws. They are holding the fog lamp in place. Now you have to do this even if you want to just change the bulb inside the lamp. So let's undo these 3 screws. I could do with a magnetic screwdriver really, I don't really want to drop these inside. Okay, that's the first one. Second one. And there you go, that is the third one. Now this should just pop out of there like so. There's a little clip on here. You can take that, release the wiring like that. Now if you want to replace the bulb in one of these, just spin that round, and there it is. It's as easy as that. It's a bit of a faff getting it out, of course. So yeah, there we are, there we have it. That's our cracked fog lamp. But here I have another one there, look. That's a nice one. And once again, we just put it in there. Now one of these lugs on here is slightly broken, but hopefully it will hold in place. Like I said, you really do need a magnetic screwdriver to do this. and solid in there now. Okay, so we shall now put back the cover, and there you are. This goes back into place like that, and look at that, that's a great fit, that is wonderful. Well, there you have it. That is how to replace a fog lamp or even a fog lamp bulb on a 2012 Fiat Punto Evo. So, look at that. That's a quick job. Well done there. Now, one thing before I finish. The fog lamp itself may be set up too high or too low. Now, to adjust that, you can get a screwdriver and you can move it either one way or the other to tilt it up and down. Now, there is actually a hole underneath the bumper bar. We can put a screwdriver up inside there, which of course will connect with that hole there, and if you switch your lights on, switch the fog lights on, if you get close to a wall, you will notice which way the beam is going when you turn this. Obviously you don't want to be blinding people as you're driving around, too much glare. Well, so there you have it. That's how to fit a new fog lamp or even a new bulb to a 2012 Fiat Punto Evo. Thank you all so very much for watching, and we shall see you all soon in the next video.